Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix Facebook submit appeal problem. So step number one, open up Chrome browser, come to the search bar, search for Facebook Help Center. After that, tap on this. Now once you tap on that, it will then start opening up this other page for Facebook Help Center. So go ahead and wait for it to finish uploading. So once it's downloading, it will look like this. Now over here guys, just need to either scroll down or you can over here you can come and search over here. Now what you're going to search for is quite simple. Search for appeal. Now run the search. Once you run the search, it will then bring up these other messages or these other sections. Okay, so now I have to choose one which obviously works for you. Now quickly guys, just go ahead and choose one. Just choose one like this. After that, you then scroll down. Now here you need to chat with the AI support, okay, by tapping on this button over here, and then now write to this what you're facing. Now here you just type in that I have appeal issues, and then you also put in your Facebook name. My Facebook name is Rogers JK, and then hit send. After that, you wait for 24 hours, then Facebook will get back to you. Thanks for watching.